faculty members. I am Riddhi Desai from 4th year BSc BA, and it is indeed a privilege to welcome you all to the inauguration of the Indian Knowledge System cell of our college and the introductory talk on Indian Knowledge System with special reference to Goa.
A renowned environmentalist, writer, researcher and conservationist from Goa, Mr. Ketkar holds MA degrees in History and Sociology along with a B.Ed. The National Board of Wildlife of India, headed by the Prime Minister of India, and serves as the General Secretary of Mahadai Bachao Abhiyan and State Convener of the Goa River Conservation Network. Heritage of Goa, Sacred Roots of Goa, Jainism in Goa, and a number of Marathi works. He has also contributed extensively to newspapers, journals, research publications, and documentary film. His efforts have contributed significantly to the conservation of Goa's forests, rivers, wildlife, sanctuaries, and sacred roots. CPR Environment Education Award presented by Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, Green Teacher Award, and Rashtra Seva Ratna, among others. Honorable Shri Lakshmikant Parsekar, sir.
Respected Shri Rajendra Ketkar sir, respected Shri Lakshmikant Parsekar sir, Chairman of Harmal Panchkroshi Shikshan Mandal, Ms. Asavari Ashtekar, Coordinator of IKSL, Mr. Kushali Prabhu, Program Convener, esteemed faculty members, warm welcome to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you to the inauguration of Indian Knowledge System Cell of HPSM Ganpat Parsekar College of Education and the introductory talk on Indian Knowledge System with special reference to Goa. The establishment of IKSL is an initiative of Directorate of Higher Education, Government of Goa, which made government and aided colleges to establish IKSL to preserve, document and promote India's traditional and indigenous knowledge system with special emphasis on Goa's cultural and local heritage. The initiative is aligned with the objectives of NEP 2020, particularly the integration of traditional knowledge with modern education. With the circular of the Government of Goa, Director of Higher Education, the cell was formed with the following members. The advisor for the IKS cell is myself, Dr. Pandurang Pandit, Coordinator Dr. Asavari Ashtekar, Co-Coordinator Mr. Kushali Prabhu, members Mr. Sachin Gavkar. He is presently undergoing a refresher program, that's why he is not present here. We have Ms. Akshatra Fernandez. I request one student to welcome a member of IKS committee, Ms. Akshatra Fernandez. We also have two local members, Mr. Sonu Shedgarkar, whose documentary you have already seen. We welcome him in absentia. We have Ms. Sonali Dheeraj Parak. She is also a writer and a member of our Indian Knowledge System cell. This has a particular significance. Our future teachers should be able to recognize knowledge not only in textbook but also in communities, local practices, cultural traditions and the natural environment, and integrate in their own subject and in their classroom discourse. It provides an opportunity to connect education with our own surrounding and lived heritage. So considering this, we have with the suggestion of IKSL, we have named some ambassadors from every class of our college who will be taking forward the vision of IKS in the college and also in the community. So I request all the students who are the part of this committee, student IKS cell, to be present here, and request student to present a token of appreciation. Ms. Gayatri Mandrekar, and they want to become ambassadors. Kiara Dias, Arya Ansurkar, Ravina Chari Desai, and Brunali Sodekar.
That is Mr. Rajendra Kelkar sir, respected Chairman Lakshmikant Parsekar sir, Mrs. Sonali Parab, local member of the IKS cell of college, our respected principal, convener of the program Kushali Prabhu sir. A very warm welcome to you all. It's my privilege as a coordinator of this IKS GPCOE cell to welcome you all. The establishment of this cell is aimed to preserving, documenting and promoting India's traditional and indigenous knowledge system with special emphasis on Goa's rich cultural and local heritage. If you remember from school days till this date, we regularly take one pledge, that is national pledge, and if you remember certain sentences, few sentences from that pledge, I would like to recall that sentences, especially in Marathi, that is, माझ्या देशावर माझे प्रेम आहे, माझ्या देशातल्या समृद्ध आणि विविधतेने नटलेल्या परंपरांचा मला अभिमान आहे, त्या परंपरांचा पाईक होण्याची पात्रता माझ्या अंगी यावी म्हणून मी सदैव प्रयत्न करेन. So actually to do it practically, to strive to give the prestigious work towards our Indian knowledge system, this platform is given by DHE, and with the help of this platform, this cell will organize so many activities throughout the year with the help of all the teachers and all students. I hope we will achieve the aim of this IKS cell by conducting field visits or workshops and conducting different projects as a part of our syllabus, and we will enrich our Indian knowledge system and we will carry forward this.
ही इनकल्केट डेली आमच्या वर्तणुकीत प्रत्येक पावला पावली शब्दात दिसूंक जाय. सेल ही वेवस्था म्हणून करप. आमची इंडियन नॉलेज सिस्टम ही इतली खोल आसा. आमच्या दुर्दैवान आमचेर पुर्तुगीज, इंग्लीश हे लोक आयले आनी तातूंतसून आमकां आमच्या संस्कृताये कडल्यान, आमचे नाळे कडल्यान तोडपाचो प्रयत्न जालो आनी यशस्वी जाले मोठ्या प्रमाणात. आनी म्हणून आमी मागीर बर्थडे मेणवाती पालोवन करता आनी बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करता. आमकां अलीकडे पालक इंडियन नॉलेज सिस्टमेचेर आयल्यात आनी आवय औक्षण करता. आमचे कडेन आनी तुमच्या कार्यक्रमाक आयले जाल्यार आमकां खूब फावटी तुमी वोवाळटात, बरें दिसता. दिस इज इंडियन नॉलेज सिस्टम. इंडियन नॉलेज सिस्टमीचो जर भुरग्यांक हाडले न्ही जाल्यार भुरगे बरें शायन जाता, तांचो कॉन्फिडन्सूय वाडटा. तुमकां आनी एक गजाल सांगता, विशय तुमचो म्हत्वाचो सर म्हणटलो. सर तेतूंतलो हांव हांगासरले इश्यूज कित्याक सांगता म्हणजे आमचे पयर एक 8-10 दिसां पयलीं SCRT पर्वरी ही एक प्रज्ञा शोध परीक्षा घेता इयत्ता 4थीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांक. प्रज्ञा शोध म्हणजे ती बेज टेस्ट करता. सगळे सरकारी शाळांतले आनी हायस्कुलांत शिकणारे जेंकां हायस्कुलांत जे प्राथमीक शाळा अटेंड आसा, लिंक आसा, ते सगळे शाळांनी प्रयत्न जाता. इयत्ता 4थीचो विद्यार्थी जनरल ज्ञानांत, विज्ञानांत, इतिहासांत, भाशेंत, गणितांत तो कितलो एक्सपर्टायज तेची आसा 4थीच्या वर्गांत हे टेस्ट करप जाता. आनी तो पास आवट जालो की ताका दर वर्सा 2000ची स्कॉलरशीप मेळटा. इट कंटिन्यूज टील 12th. म्हणजे दर वर्सा हक्काचे 2,000 मेळटा. तुमकां 2,000 कांय न्ही, त्या भुरग्यांक 2,000 म्हणजे खूब बरें दिसता. पयरचो रिजल्ट आयलो तातूंत संपूर्ण पेडणे तालुक्यांत 17 भुरगे ती परीक्षा पास जाल्यात, म्हणजे अप टू द डिझायर्ड लेवल. आनी त्या 17 भुरग्यांतले हरमल पंचक्रोशीच्या प्राथमीक विद्यालयांतले 12 विद्यार्थी आसात. तुमी जशे ह्या हातूंत वचूंक लागले, भितर खोलांत वचूंक लागले, अरे हे आमी करतात बरें, आमी पत्रावळेर जेवतात, आमी चवथीक हे उपवास आसलो जाल्यार आमी केळीच्या पानांचेर जेवतात. कित्याक जेवतात? आमी रांगोळी घालतात ताटा भोंवती किंवा पानां भोंवती, कित्याक घालतात? आमी भोजन मंत्र म्हणटात, कित्याक म्हणटात? हे समजून घेवप गरजेचें आसा. तुमी दोज हू हॅव व्हॉलंटियर्ड टू टेक दीस मॅसेज टू द सोसायटी, आय कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट देम. पूण बाकी सगळ्यांनी हें काम आमकां करूंक जाय. वी नीड टू बी द मॅसेंजर्स ऑफ दीस. ह्या विशयाचे मॅसेंजर्स आमकां सगळ्यांक जावंक जाय. खूब म्हत्वाचो विशय आसा तो. आमची केवळ पुस्तकी ज्ञाना पुरते आमचें उरून चलना. पुस्तकी ज्ञानाच्या पलीकडे 4 गजाली आमी शिकणे गरज आसता. लेट अस नॉट लिमीट अवर सेल्स टू द प्रिस्क्राइब्ड सिलेबस ओन्ली. ताच्या पलीकडे शिकूंक जाय, आमकां सगळ्यांक शिकूंक जाय. आणि when a college of education is situated in the proximity of primary school, high school, higher secondary school, those institutions should be largely influenced, should be largely benefited by this college of education.
Explain you about this system. However, I have used indigenous. The term indigenous tells you, takes you to the root, and my first slide takes you to the Indian knowledge system. For example, the name of this place, in English it is written Arambol. Whereas locally, if you ask, people always tell you that this is Har Mal. Har means Shiva, and Mol means ground. And if you visit, there are places in this area, and there is need to do the study. Why the European people prefer to come to the border of Armal and Pali? There is one place where you can see the Sweet Lake is there. Sweet Lake is in Pali village, but all over world the place is known as Arambol Lake. Just climb on the top and you will find the clay. Just as in India we have earlier, today it is in Pakistan, Multan, and Multani clay was considered to be possess healing power. Whereas the European people who come here, they will apply the clay to their whole body and lay down for about 2 hours. So this is the therapy. Earlier, why the Potter community from various parts of Goa migrated, took shelter from this Wadi Taluka in the village of Armal. Most of the people who are there, you take the case of the fisherman community, the Bandari community, or the Maratha community, or the Saraswat community. The Saraswat community presently, who are there occupying important position, they are not originally from this area. They migrated from South Goa. Today it is a part of the taluka called Marmagua, Murgaon. So from there, from Sampal, they came, settled all the Kerkar, for example, who are there, they were originally the Sanskrit who migrated from the village called Shankhwad, Conchis, the village of the Conchis. So that is why the knowledge system, Indian knowledge system, will take you to the root. And my first slide takes you to the area called Dharmanuda. You know the Sangay Taluka divided into two halves. The first part became Kashtagar and second part was earlier known as Hemad Barshe. Today, Hemad Barshe is known as Dharmanuda, and there you will find introduction of Islam. Arabs were there in Pali, they were there in Keri, they were there in Mandre, Morji, and all this name takes you to Arabic words. So that is why this first slide tells you the importance of the sacred water body, sacred growth. Next slide. And people call it as Aloba. Now, in Goa, we have a rock art. Got it, no? In archaeology, this is called petroglyph. It is called as rock art. So, how old is rock art? First slide is from the Sangay Taluka, on the bank of the river Kushavati, one of the tributary of river Zuari. You find 100 carving, and among these 100 carving, you can see the carving of deer, zebu, mamma. What it mammoth means predecessor of elephant. So all this you can see on the rock bed, the basalt stone, metamethal stone, on which you can see the zebu. Got it? No? Zebu is the what you can see cattle. Got it? No? Domesticated them, and this art began during the Neolithic period, New Stone Age. So this slide tells you about the New Stone Age. And the third slide is of the national bird of India, peacock. Got it? For example, if you look at the Mayur Singhasana that was looted and taken to the outside India by Nadir Shah, was the peacock throne. Got it? So peacock is very important in India because when you can connect the child to the moon. For example, in India, we have the tradition of the Fugdi. Krishna घाली तो लोळण यशोदा येती धावून काय रे बाळा काय आणशील दे दे मी आणून आई मला चंद्र दे आणून त्याचा चेंडू घे करीन असलं रे कसलं मागणं तुझं जगाच्या वेगळं. So psychology, Indian psychology, got it? The first Indian psychology, if you want to study, try to understand Jinoli. Jinoli is a type of Fugdi practiced only in Pernem Taluka. I actually documented Jinoli. It goes on continuously for 1 hour. If you ask somebody about a Fugdi, he will going to laugh. What is there in Fugdi? Got it? If you want to know the story of how Lord Ganesh is born, then you have to listen carefully the Fugdi song. And there are hundreds types of Fugdi. Got it? So this is Indian knowledge system. Next slide.
I now request our chairman, Shri Lakshmikant Parsekar sir, to kindly present a token of our gratitude and appreciation to Sir Rajendra Kerkar. And Miss Diya Tulsidas Pagi from TYBS.
Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. It is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion.